welcome to all our fans, partners, and friends in the media joining us on the live stream today. My name is Shou, and I'm the President of International at Xiaomi. This year marks Xiaomi's 10th anniversary. 10 years of bringing innovation to everyone. We are proud to be 384th on this list. That for the first time, 50% of our total revenue comes from overseas. And we are also proud to be top 5 in 47 global smartphone markets around the world, according to Canalys. We believe in the future where smartphones and other IoT products are seamlessly integrated. Our products have been immensely popular. We are leading the pack in wearables, TWS earphones, and scooters. Xiaomi is leading AIoT and smartphone. Now, with a smart home, everything can be seamlessly integrated and automated. As you open the door to your home, lights and appliances automatically turn on, and you come home to a clean house. Now, as you enter your living room, you can easily program different scenes for different moods. And of course, in case you need a bathroom break, there is no need to flick the switch. The motion detector detects when there's movement and automatically turns the light on. What we have seen is a sneak peek of a smart home where products are interconnected. They work together to make lives easier and more comfortable. Of course, you can also do deep customization of your AIoT system from your smartphone with the Mi Home app. Today, we'll be launching 5 new amazing AIoT and ecosystem products.
Let's get started first with wearables. Mi Smart Band 5. Go smart, live more. Right off the bat, you'll notice that it comes with a large 1.1-inch AMOLED display. That's 20% more display than the previous generation. Mi Smart Band 5 truly gives you a bigger and better display. You could pick from over 65 band displays. You could even customize certain displays. So let me show you how. All you have to do is go to the band display and enter the editing mode. And it ain't complete without 6 awesome straps to fit your style. Whether for work or workouts, it's designed to fit any outfit. It's 580M water resistant, meaning it can withstand water pressure up to 50 meters. Charging your Mi Smart Band 5 is now super easy. There's no need to remove the strap from the fitness tracker. And all you need to do is plug and charge. This time, we've added 5 new exercise modes, perfect for home workouts. Mi Smart Band 5 has upgraded to 11 exercise modes, so it's perfect for outdoor and home workouts. Mi Smart Band 5 comes with a high-performance PPG sensor. It combines software and hardware enhancement, and it's up to 50% more accurate compared to the previous generation. Mi Smart Band 5 also supports 24-hour sleep monitoring, so now afternoon naps can be tracked as well. We've also added 2 new health tracking features: stress management, which keeps an eye on your stress levels. So when you're stressed, you also need to chill. So we've included deep breathing. And one of my new favorite features is period tracking. This is especially convenient because I don't need to download a separate app. Now you can pair your band to your phone to easily snap selfies from a distance. There you have it, Mi Smart Band 5 with tons of awesome features to love. Mi Smart Band 5 starts from €39.99. Xiaomi was actually the #2 best-selling global true wireless earphones in the world last year. Mi True Wireless Earphones 2 Basic gives an exceptional listening experience. You get clear highs, vibrant mids, and punchy bass, thanks to the large 14.2mm dynamic driver. We've equipped 2 mics in each earphone, one to filter noise around you and the other to pick up your voice. Earphones deliver up to 20 hours of total battery life and an amazing 5 hours of usage on a single charge. It also charges via the ubiquitous USB-C. Mi True Wireless Earphones 2 Basic starts from €39.99. When it comes to urban mobility, Xiaomi is the world's #1 selling electric scooter brand globally. The Mi Electric Scooter Pro 2. Ride with power, go the distance. 25 km/h max speed, 20% incline, and an amazing 45 km traveling distance. Being the #1 scooter brand also means that we really care about safety. Our scooters are tested and certified by True Rhineland. We've added a safety video in order to activate your scooter. 2 brakes are definitely safer than 1. That is why for a Pro 2, we've included a double braking system. Pro 2 is equipped with bright headlights, a rear brake light, and reflectors. And on top of that, we've also incorporated a series of battery protection. Pro 2 is designed for portability. You can even put it in the trunk and bring it everywhere with you. Mi Electric Scooter Pro 2 starts from €499. The Mi Electric Scooter 1S. It has great speed and great distance, up to 30 kilometers. With all of these great features, it's perfect for the last mile commute. Actually, we have one more thing. Mercedes-AMG Petronas F1 Team Edition. We cannot wait to show this to you, so stay tuned for the release. Mi TV Stick is a portable streaming device that turns your TV into a smart TV. And you'll be able to access tons of amazing content from Android TV. It also comes with Chromecast built in, so you can easily cast what's on your smartphone directly to your smart TV. We've even included a Bluetooth remote controller with dedicated buttons for Netflix, Prime Video, and Google Assistant. So here's the Mi TV Stick, €39.99. The Mi Curve Gaming Monitor 34-inch. It takes gaming and multimedia to the next level. It comes with a WQHD high-resolution display, delivering super sharp image quality. Coupled with an ultra-high 144Hz refresh rate, you get smooth and skilky graphics like no other. And designed with an ultra-wide 21:9 curved display, Mi Curve Gaming Monitor lets you view and comfort. So here you go, the Mi Curve Gaming Monitor 34-inch.
Today, we have not just one, but 3 different Redmi devices to introduce to you. More display, more speed, more battery, more camera, more of everything. 4 cameras. 2 more cameras, in fact, than the previous generation. Redmi 9 is definitely the entry-level's best quad camera. We've got an amazing display, an amazing camera, the biggest in class 5020 mAh battery, 18-watt fast charging, the high-performance Helio G80, and all of your favorite features. Redmi 9 is definitely the entry-level's fastest and most powerful smartphone. The 3GB variant of Redmi 9 is going to cost just €149. Redmi 9C comes with a triple camera that serves in almost any situation, an immersive 6.53-inch display, a massive 5000 mAh battery, and we've enhanced that battery for a longer lifespan. The gaming-ready Helio G35, your favorite features, and it comes in these 3 super cool, stylish colors. Redmi 9C is going to start at just €119. Redmi 9A is a highly reliable device, a massive 5000 mAh battery with, again, that enhanced lifespan. Reliable, smooth Helio G25. 13-megapixel AI camera. Redmi 9A is going to be available starting at a startling 2-digit €99. Crazy, right? So, that wraps up today. 9 amazing products, 9 even more amazing prices.
Thank you very much for joining us on the live stream today. Stay safe and see you next time.